Good morning students. So in this video we are going to discuss a concept of nucleoside, nucleotide and polynucleotide chain. Okay. So now in previous video we discussed about the composition of nucleic acids. So there are three things in the nucleic acids: phosphate and nitrogen bases, pentose sugar. Okay. So now, so what are these three terms? Let us discuss. Even sometimes in 1 marks they may be asked. So nucleoside, let us see nucleoside, nucleoside, nucleotide and polynucleotide, nucleotide chain. So what are these? Nucleoside, you have heard the nucleotide and you can understand the polynucleotide chain. Okay. So what is nucleoside here? It is a part of nucleic acids. Okay. So nucleoside, it is a combination of two things here: pentose sugar plus nitrogen base, pentose sugar when combined with nitrogen base. So this molecule is known as a nucleoside. Remember. Okay. See, nucleoside is a molecule which is formed by the combination of pentose sugar and nitrogen base. So any pentose sugar here, either you can take ribose or deoxyribose, ribose or deoxyribose. And here nitrogen base means any nitrogen base, either adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, or you may be or uracil. Okay. So out of this 5, any nitrogen base, one nitrogen base plus one pentose sugar is equal to the nucleoside. One nucleoside is formed. Okay. So even you can show this by the pentose sugar is in this form. Pentose sugar it is. Okay. So this is the pentose sugar and it is connected with the nitrogen base. This is the sugar. This molecule, this is known as a nucleoside. So depends on the type of number of nitrogen bases. So there may be a nucleosides also types. They are, we will see in a different next bit. Okay. So now you can take nucleotide. What is nucleotide? So I will write in this way: nucleoside plus phosphate. Okay. So already you know nucleic acids are nothing but they are the polymers of nucleotide. Okay. So when polymers of nucleotide means the nucleic acid composition is, you have studied already. Okay. So that is three things. What are those? Pentose sugar, phosphate and nitrogen base. So here you can see nucleoside is nothing but already two things are there: pentose sugar and nitrogen base, and next phosphate one more. All three compositions are there. No? So when these three are combined, that means you can write here the pentose sugar plus nitrogen base and phosphate. When all three are combined, there is a formation of a nucleotide. So these are the monomers, single unit. It is the single unit of an nucleic acid. Okay. So next you can write here the structure when you observe in this pattern, structure if you want, right. So here pentose sugar, simple structure it is. This is the pentose sugar, you can write it as S, and here there is a nitrogen base, this is nitrogen base, and this is the P, phosphate. Okay. So this structure is, this is a simple structure, it's not chemical structure. Okay. Just I have to understand purpose I have drawn this one. If you want to draw this one, which nitrogen base you can take, so on that basis you can draw the diagram, because purines, see, purines are double ringed, these are double ringed structure, and pyrimidines are single ringed structures. Okay. So the diagram is become the chemical structural diagram or structural formula what we called in chemistry. So that has become very big diagram, so no need to draw here, just you can understand nitrogen base is attached at first carbon. So you can mention the carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, and here it is 5. Okay, carbon, hence it is pentose, no, pentose sugar. Okay. So nitrogen base is attached to the carbon atom first, okay, at first carbon, and the phosphate is attached to the fifth carbon. Okay, fifth carbon. So bond is formed between the phosphate and the phosphate. The bond is formed between phosphate and the pentose sugar. Bond is formed between phosphate and pentose sugar. This bond is called phosphodiester bond. Phosphodiester bond, very important, for 1 marks it may be asked. Okay. So it may be asked for the 1 marks. Okay, you remember phosphodiester bond. So this phosphodiester bond also forms the polynucleotide chain. Later we will discuss this one how. Okay. Next, in between the sugar and nitrogen base, so one more bond linkage is formed. This one is called the, yes, we call it as glycosidic bond. Glycosidic bond. The bond is formed between nitrogen base and the sugar is called glycosidic bond, and the bond is formed between phosphate and sugar is known as phosphodiester bond. Okay. So both bonds which forms the and one nucleotide. Such many nucleotides combined by the help of phosphodiester bond, and there is a formation of a polynucleotide chain. See how polynucleotide chain is formed. See the one molecule, see nucleotide. So this is the, I can draw here, in the same way diagram you can draw. So even the many nucleotides join to form many nucleotides linked to form a chain called polynucleotide chain. How it is formed? See the same diagram, if you extend this one, let us we see so another molecule of phosphate is attached to third carbon. See here, this is, I will draw here by P. Okay, next, so here one more can draw This is again sugar molecule, and next here, next one more NB. Okay. So this is as usual sugar. So this is one nucleotide, this is one nucleotide, and this is another nucleotide. So again these two nucleotides are joined by say the same phosphodiester bond. So the next in pentose sugar, so one phosphate molecule is attached with the fifth carbon atom, and another phosphate molecule is attached with another phosphate group of another nucleotide. Okay. So this is the phosphate of this nucleotide, understood. So this is attached to the third carbon atom of a sugar. So when you observe the two sugar in the polynucleotide chain, so one more you can add here. Next, okay. So this is again here third 1 2 3 4. So fifth carbon atom, here again it is P. Okay. So here one more NP, nitrogen base. So in this way the what you call polynucleotide chain is formed again here. Okay. Here one more, understood. So in this pattern the polynucleotide chain is formed. This is called the polynucleotide chain. Okay. So nucleoside means here it is the unit of again a polynucleotide chain, okay, or a nucleotide. It is a smaller unit of polynucleotide chain or nucleotide, okay, because both nucleosides are present in this, okay, these two, okay. So nucleoside is nothing but it is a combination of two things, which is the combination of the nucleic acids, okay. So next, the polynucleotide chain is nothing but many nucleotides which are linked by phosphodiester bond, very important. So here we can write this is the phosphodiester bond, and this link is called, this is called glycosidic bond. Glycosidic bond. So and these bonds are formed between this is bond formed between carbon atom, first carbon atom of sugar, and the third nitrogen of third and ninth. In case ninth nitrogen, if it is ninth, okay, ninth position, ninth nitrogen atom in purines, this is in pyrimidines. If this molecule nitrogen base, if it is pyrimidine, so it will be third, the nitrogen atom is in third position, okay, double ring, single ring, third, okay. So if it is purine like adenine or guanine, okay, so the ninth nitrogen atom is attached with the first carbon of sugar, okay. So this is also you just try to remember the third nitrogen atom and first carbon atom of sugar. Third nitrogen atom of a pyrimidine, either you can take thymine or uracil, or another one is cytosine, okay, thymine, cytosine or uracil, pyrimidine. In case purines, either guanine or adenine, okay. So here ninth nitrogen, in this case third nitrogen, which are attached to the first carbon atom of pentose sugar. So that is by the help of glycosidic bond, okay. So next one, in case sugar is attached to the phosphate, so third carbon atom of sugar is attached to the phosphate of another nucleotide. So that is by the help of phosphodiester bond. So that means here this is C, either C3 or C5 to phosphate, okay, which is attached to the phosphate. Understood? So this bond, the phosphodiester bond, is formed between either C3 or C5, means third carbon and fifth carbon, third or fifth carbon in between two nucleotides. So what I have drawn here, this is one nucleotide. So this is, you can mention it as one nucleotide. Hence I will write here. So when you observe this sugar, okay, sugar is attached with a nitrogen base, and here phosphate. So in this way, sugar, nitrogen base, and again here P. So in this way, if you go on writing, so the chain is become so long. So even we can mention in this form, so n number, I will write here n number of nucleotides, okay. So whatever it may be, any number you can put there, that much longer polynucleotide chain is formed. This polynucleotide chain or a strand forms the DNA, okay. So the structure of DNA or RNA is based on the polynucleotide chain, okay. So and before going to study the DNA structure, so we are going to discuss about the types of nucleosides and nucleotides, based on the type of nitrogen bases. So we will discuss that in a next class or next video, okay. Thank you.